Are you sick of puny, thin lashes? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to my channel. I'm Vi, and today we're talking about how to get gorgeous lashes naturally. Check out the link in the description box of the castor oil that I personally use. If you've been dreaming of fuller, longer lashes without the need for expensive treatments, then you're in the right place. Today we'll explore the wonders of castor oil, its benefits for eyelash growth, how to use it effectively, and the best time to incorporate it into your beauty routine. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is castor oil? Castor oil is a natural oil derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. It's rich in nutrients, fatty acids, and antioxidants that promote hair growth and overall hair health. Studies have shown that castor oil can indeed help promote eyelash growth. Its high content of ricinoleic acid, omega-6 fatty acids, and vitamin E nourishes the hair follicles, strengthens the lashes, and stimulates the growth. Here are some ways it helps lashes grow. Stimulate blood circulation. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil improves blood circulation to the hair follicles, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen needed for healthy lash growth. Provides nutrient support. Omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E present in castor oil nourishes the lashes, promoting their strength and resilience. This nourishment helps prevent lash breakage and encourages longer, thicker lashes. Moisturize and condition. Castor oil has excellent moisturizing properties that hydrate the lashes, preventing dryness and brittleness. Well-hydrated lashes are less prone to damage and are more likely to grow longer and healthier. Protect against environmental damage. The antioxidants in castor oil, such as vitamin E, help protect the lashes from free radical damage caused by environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation. This protection supports healthy lash growth and prevents premature shedding. So how do you use castor oil for gorgeous eyelashes? It's simple. First, make sure your eyes are free of any dirt and makeup. Using a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab, gently apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyelashes, starting from the roots and working your way to the tips. Be sure to remove any excess oil to prevent it from getting into your eyes. Make sure you don't get any between your eyebrows, or you could end up growing a unibrow. Okay, maybe not. The best time to use castor oil on your eyelashes is at night, before bedtime. This allows the oil to work its magic overnight while you sleep, giving it ample time to nourish and condition your lashes. I've been using Jamaican black castor oil and I absolutely love the results. It does have a strong, earthy smell, but I don't mind it. Plus the smell dissipates quickly. My eyelashes are definitely longer and thicker. I keep reaching up to touch them every now and then and can't believe how long they are. Now when I curl my lashes, I don't even need mascara. No more raccoon eyes in the morning for me. And there you have it, castor oil magic. Achieve gorgeous eyelashes naturally. With its proven benefits for eyelash growth and simple application method, castor oil is a must-have in any beauty arsenal. Give it a try and watch your lashes flourish. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below on what has been working for you in your skincare journey. Have you used castor oil to grow your lashes? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay beautiful. Disclaimer: consult with a dermatologist before using castor oil, especially if you have sensitive skin or eye conditions.